Did you know that starting your day with a healthy breakfast can actually help you shed those extra pounds? It's true. Breakfast sets the tone for the rest of the day, providing you with the energy and nutrients your body needs while curbing those mid-morning cravings. But be careful. The wrong breakfast choices can amplify our cravings and leave us reaching for unhealthy snacks later in the day. That's why it's crucial to make mindful choices that nourish our bodies and support our weight loss goals. In today's video, we'll explore some fantastic breakfast ideas that can help you reduce weight and boost your overall well-being. Stick around till the end because we have some delicious and nutritious recipes to share with you. Did you know that studies have shown that regular breakfast eaters tend to be leaner? It's true. People who make breakfast a priority are more successful at losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, if you've been skipping breakfast, it's time to rethink your morning routine. Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey with a nutritious breakfast? Let's get cooking and discover the power of a healthy morning meal. 1. The importance of a healthy breakfast. Before we jump into the breakfast ideas, let's understand why a healthy breakfast is essential for weight loss. When we wake up in the morning, our bodies are in a fasting state from the previous night. By having a nutritious breakfast, we break this fast, kickstart our metabolism, and provide our bodies with the fuel they need to function optimally throughout the day. Not only does a healthy breakfast provide us with energy, but it also helps to regulate our hunger and cravings. When we skip breakfast or opt for sugary, processed foods, our blood sugar levels spike, leading to energy crashes and intense cravings. This can result in overeating later in the day, sabotaging our weight loss efforts. 2. Breakfast ideas for weight loss. Now that we understand the importance of a healthy breakfast, let's explore some delicious and nutritious options that can aid in weight loss. 1. Overnight oats with berries and nuts. Overnight oats are a fantastic choice for a convenient and satisfying breakfast. They are packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full for longer, and they can be customized with your favorite toppings. Adding antioxidant-rich berries and healthy fats from nuts makes it a perfect weight loss option. 2. Vegetable and egg scramble. A vegetable and egg scramble is a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Choose a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms, and combine them with fluffy eggs for a nutrient-dense meal. 3. Greek yogurt parfait with fresh fruit. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, which support a healthy gut. Layer it with your favorite fresh fruits and a sprinkle of granola for added crunch. It's a delicious and filling breakfast option that won't weigh you down. 3. Incorporating healthy habits. While a healthy breakfast is a great start, there are a few additional habits you can incorporate into your morning routine to enhance your weight loss journey. 1. Stay hydrated. Begin your day by hydrating your body. Drinking a glass of water in the morning helps to boost your metabolism, cleanse your system, and curb unnecessary cravings. So make sure to have a tall glass of water before reaching for that cup of coffee. 2. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating during breakfast. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By paying attention to your eating habits, you'll be more in tune with your body's needs and be less likely to overeat. 3. Plan ahead. Plan your breakfasts ahead of time. Preparing and portioning your meals in advance ensures that you have a healthy option readily available, even on busy mornings. Whether it's overnight oats or a veggie-packed frittata, having a plan will set you up for success. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that losing weight is a journey that requires patience and self-care. It's not just about the number on the scale, but also about nourishing your body with wholesome foods and embracing a healthy lifestyle overall. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your goals. Make a commitment to incorporate these healthy breakfast options into your daily routine, and you'll start seeing positive changes in no time. Thank you for joining us today on Wellness Eats. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy eating and weight management. We'd love to hear from you.